Hello and welcome to Asian Religions, PAR 232. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to the course and more importantly the course website, since this is an online and asynchronous section of the course. I've been teaching this course for 6 years now, and I teach it almost every semester, including summer sessions. I'm always open and receptive to hearing your feedback of how to improve the course, and I've changed the course over the course of the years based on that feedback. So again, please feel free to email me anytime if you have feedback, or if something doesn't make sense to you, email me. And if you want to meet with me, not only do I have office hours here in Bear Hall, but you could also meet with me via Skype, since this is an online course and some of you might not be near campus. So next I'd like to introduce you to the structure of the course. It's divided into 8 modules, and roughly we do one module for 2 weeks' time over the course of the semester. On your course syllabus, I've outlined the due dates for various assignments. And as I posted on the welcome page on the course website, you have various different kinds of assignments. One is to post to a discussion board for each module. 2, to respond to at least 2 of your peers' posts. 3, to complete an assignment, and this is an engagement with these religious traditions. What I ask you to do is engage in a certain type of religious practice, such as yoga or meditation, and then reflect on that, drawing it into discussion with your readings. 4th, for each module, you'll be asked to do a reflective journal entry. And then 5th and finally, there's a take-home test. And you'll have an entire week to do the take-home test. It's open book, open note, and you're going to be asked to actually cite the readings that you did for the course and not cite any other external sources such as websites and that sort of thing. So another feature of the course is that you can do self-assessment quizzes. For each module, after you do the reading, you can take a quiz that's posted online to see the degree to which you understood the readings. And it gives you feedback. It's meant to help you better understand what you might have been unclear about in terms of the readings. And it's not graded. It's entirely for your own learning experience. So next, I'll just introduce you to the features of the course website. And again, if you have questions, you can always email me to ask them. So this is the course homepage. It's the welcome. It introduces you to the various assignments, and it includes the course syllabus as a PDF file. Next, what you'll find are rubrics. These are rubrics which explain the expectations for your discussion board posts and your responses. So you'll find what I'm looking for in an excellent discussion board post, as well as an excellent response. It also gives a rubric for your journal entries, what I'm looking for with those as well. Then the modules are posted next, and you'll find 8 of those modules here. So if you click on each one, what you'll find is it gives you an overview of the module, it lists objectives for each module, and then it includes a to-do list. This is helpful to, check off each item as you do it to make sure that you're getting all of the various components of that module. Here is the self-assessment quiz that I mentioned, and there are also links to help you post your, for instance, your self-introduction or your discussion board post, links to help you turn in your assignments. So your first assignment is on social location, and here you can upload your assignment here. It also has links to your reflective journal entries, and then for each module I provide links or PDF files for further study. So this is just if you're interested in studying further. It's not expected of you. So again, those are the components for each module. I've also posted links here for those various assignments, so you can access the discussion boards by clicking here on this link on the left. You'll find the first one is actually a student lounge. Here's the opportunity for you guys to talk amongst yourselves informally. Then you'll find the individual discussion forums for each of the modules. The first module is just simply a self-introduction where you'll post your introduction and a photo of yourself. But then you'll see that as we go into the material for the course, it's going to ask you to present an argument and provide evidence from the readings in support of that argument. And you'll find all of those discussion boards are posted, but wait and do them as the weeks go on, because you're asked to respond in a certain, deadline. So I wouldn't get too far ahead in terms of your discussion board posts, because then it might require some refreshing to respond to your peers. Here are all the assignments that you're going to be expected to turn in, the journal entries, and then finally the take-home test here will be posted a week before it's due. Again, open book, open notes. Now, if you're ever curious to figure out what your grade is for the course or your grades for various assignments, you can just click on My Grades here. And then there are also resources here such as TAC, the Technology Assistance Center, if you have any sorts of technological issues. There's expectations for netiquette, so how to be respectful in your online discussions, so on and so forth. If you've got feedback, email me at any time. At the end of the semester, we'll also fill out a course evaluation, the idea evaluation, and those are the main features of the course website. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, but I'll end just by showing you on the course syllabus. It has everything that you need to know about the expectations for the course, but also you'll see a sort of schedule. So it gives you the date by which assignment 1 will be due, and then the discussion board posts, responses, and journal entries. What you'll find are the assignments and journal entries, as well as the responses, are all due on Tuesday. It's only the discussion board posts that's typically due on the Thursday by 8 a.m. And I will really try my best to give you your feedback by 5 p.m. on Tuesday for each assignment that's due on Tuesday. And I'm doing group responses for the discussion board. So all of your feedback should be sent to you by 5 p.m. on Tuesday. You'll also see here at the bottom of the page, right, your take-home test is due by Tuesday, December 8th at 8 a.m. And that's also, it's a day where there's multiple different assignments due, but that's just because that's the end of the final examination period. And I will again give you feedback on your take-home test and your journal entries and discussion board for that 8th module by 5 p.m. on Thursday of that week. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to our discussions and hearing your thoughts through your assignments and your journal entries as we move through this semester.